Hey, what's good? What's good? What's good? Damn, what a day, what a day, what a day, guys. It's crazy, Dow Jones. Man, catch that beautiful entry somewhere in this area over here. Beautiful, man. Look at that move, guys. It just dropped. Like, beautiful. Risk reward. Risk to reward is already at around one, two, three times the risk. But as soon as it moved, like in this area, I was moving the stop to break even. So yeah, this one is a beautiful trade, guys. I've called this one in the circle group chat, the group chat for all the Genius Trading Masterclass students. I've shared this one, and I shared gold as well. I told you guys. Oh, look at that entry, guys. This is crazy. Like, I mean, look, I searched for Confluence, and we had this top over here, and last time we hit that spot, it dropped crazy, and so price came back to that spot, and I was like, all right, let's do it. Let's take a trade. My risk was around 50 pips or something. 50 pips stop. And when it dropped like that, I was moving stop to break even, waited for another. Now it's consolidating, but it keeps dropping, and I think it will drop some more. Let's see. But I already have like 14,000 saved on that one, which is beautiful. And on DAX, guys, this is crazy. I mean, I catch that thing on top, but originally what I did was I saw that push, and then it came back strong, and then I was like, all right, I was getting in somewhere in this area over here with my stop above this one. Then it came back for the retest, and then I was like, okay, stop loss still be the same. Let's put some more risk on the table, because I still had some risk appetite open. And so I scaled in like 300 lots, which was around like 10 grand. It was nothing, like for real, it was a 0 point. I was risking like 0.2 or something like 0.2% on that one. But then, I mean, this was the risk, like 25 pips or something. And then I banked some money over here, like I don't know how much is this, man. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times the risk, something like that. Crazy trade. Plus we have I have my stop sitting over there with 20,000, and I already banked some on that one. Like I banked half of it already with like 20,000. So I banked 20,000, and I still have like 20,000 at least. But if it drops, and I see a lot of potential for this thing to drop, so drop some more. Let's see. But I think I don't know, maybe I even hold it over the weekend. Let's see, maybe on Monday we have that huge gap. On Sunday, Monday, you know, sometimes it happens. So I will let it run for some fun, because the day was already so beautiful. Banked already 280 grand. And now I'm, at least in the worst case, if all trades move against me, I'm going to bank like 40,000, 43,000, something like that. Beautiful, just beautiful. It was an awesome Friday, awesome day to start the weekend, guys. It was crazy. At least I'm going to bank around 320 grand, which is more than 5% of my account size on one day. It's beautiful. It's very good result. Overall, I'm up this week, I think 6 or 7%. Like, it's crazy. Awesome. Yeah, I'm pumped up, guys. And if you want to learn how I'm doing this, how we doing this in the inner circle, guys, check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. You will find a link in the description below, guys. This course, if you study this thing a couple of times, it is a game changer. You're gonna make a lot of money with this thing. Yeah, if you do it right, it will make a lot of money, man. It's crazy. Yeah, Let's see what we can do, guys. Let's just wait. I'm going to make some good food with my girl. Pasta with chicken and sweet peppers, onions, and all that good stuff, man, with whipped cream. Enjoy your weekend, have a good time, eat something good, stay healthy, and yeah, much love, guys. Peace out.